Hey there! First, captions in English, Portuguese, and Spanish up there or down here. Turn them on. I work in the morning. You work at night. I was born in 1983 on a Sunday morning. In, on, at. Do you know how to use them before expressions of time? Well, let's see. First, when talking about time, in is bigger than on, which is bigger than at. What does it mean? This. We use in for the longer periods of time, like months or seasons or years or decades. Before those, we use in. Examples. I was born in December. I always travel in the summer. He died in 1999. She was a child in the 90s. In. But when you talk about dates, you use on. Use on before dates. Examples. I work on Sundays. On Sundays. She was born on June 15th. I had a cake on my birthday. I worked on Christmas Day. But remember this, on Christmas Day, at Christmas. The difference? When you talk about December 25th, on Christmas Day. But when you talk about the period of celebrations, the day before, the day after, use at Christmas. That is the difference. Same thing here, on Easter Day, but at Easter. Use on for the date, use at for the period of celebrations. Speaking of at, we use at for hours. When you talk about hours, you use at. Examples. I go to school at 7. She has lunch at noon. They go to bed at midnight. And you exercise at 10 in the morning. By the way, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. For the periods of the day, you use in. Exception, at night. That's it, basically. As I said in my other video about how to use in, on, and at before expressions of place, link is up there. There are exceptions, there are more examples. This is why it's important to always keep studying, keep practicing. But now I want you to do this. Here it is. 10 sentences for you to complete using in, on, or at. You can pause the video, right? And leave your answers in the comments. First, this one, 10 sentences for you to practice how to use in, on, and at before expressions of time. This is the first one. And now, 10 more sentences for you to practice how to use in, on, and at before expressions of place, right? From the other video. Here they are. You can pause and leave your answers in the comments. Don't forget to watch the other video too and learn, and always keep practicing. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, right? That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.